Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to expand brackets. We are going to start with easy peasy single brackets to some double brackets as well. Expanding brackets might look tricky because there are a lot of positive negative signs, but I'm going to teach you the right approach and then you will be able to expand any expression with confidence. So without wasting time, let's do some math. In today's video, we are going to cover single bracket and double bracket problems. So I suggest you should have a notebook with you so that you can also practice along, and that's how it is going to be helpful. So let's start. We are going to solve a lot of questions today. So yeah, let's start from question number 1. So these are all single bracket problems. The first one is 7 multiplied by 2x plus 7. So first we'll see how to approach to these kind of questions. Whenever there's a number preceding a bracket, just like you can see, 7 is outside the binomial expression 2x plus 7. So पहले हम 7 को फर्स्ट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन 7 को सेकेंड टर्म से भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So let's check. 7 into 2x is going to be 14x plus sign as it is 7 into 7, 49. That's the answer. Easy. Question number 2. 5a multiplied by a minus 8. So again, फर्स्ट टर्म को फर्स्ट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन फर्स्ट टर्म को सेकेंड टर्म से भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 5a multiplied by a. So the approach is numbers multiplies with numbers and variables multiplies with variables. So 5 will be written as it is. A multiplied by a will be a square. And then minus, because plus minus minus. 5 multiplied by 8, so 8 5s are 40. And a multiplied by, there is no other variable, so we'll write a as it is. That's the answer. Question number 3. Again, number will multiply with number, so 8 will multiply by 3, so 8 3s are 24. And c will multiply with c, so it will become c square. Now 8c minus 2, so positive and negative negative. 8 into 2, 16 with c, because there's only one c outside and there's no other variable. So 24c square minus 16c square. I hope this is clear. Let's move on. Question number 4. So same approach. 3 will multiply by 2, so 3 2s are 6 with a y minus first term with second term, so 9 3s are 27. That's the answer. You can also try, you can pause the video anytime and you can solve all the questions 5 6 7 8, and then you can again come back and check कि मेरा आंसर सही है या नहीं है. So question number 5. 3 into 5, 15, and there's only one x minus 3 into 8, that is 24. Question number 6. 4x square multiplied by 3x. So again, number को हमें number से multiply करना है. 4 3s are 12 and variable को variable से. So x square multiplied by x raised to 1. So powers will get added. So ये हो जाएगा x raised to 3 plus minus minus second term के लिए. So minus 4x square into 2. So 4 into 2 8, और यहाँ पे अभी कोई दूसरा variable नहीं है. So we only have x square. So we'll write x square, and that's the answer. Question number 7. 7r multiplied by 3r square minus 5. So 7 multiplied by 3, 21. r multiplied by r square, so r to the power 1, r to the power 2. So powers add हो जाएंगे. So r raised to 3. Now 7r multiplied by minus 5. So plus minus minus. 7 into 5, 35. And हमें r as it is लिख देना है because there is no other variable. Let's check question number 8. 6p cube multiplied by 5p. So 6 into 5, 30. p cube multiplied by p raised to 1. So powers again add हो जाएंगे. So p raised to 4. And again plus minus minus for the second term. So minus 6 2s are 12. p cube हम लिख देंगे as it is. So that's the answer. Now let's move on to double brackets. I hope single bracket problems were easy and easy to understand. Now we are going to start double brackets, and first we'll see how to approach double bracket problems. So let's check. We have binomial term here, x plus 7 and x minus 3. So फर्स्ट हमें फर्स्ट टर्म को फर्स्ट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एंड देन फर्स्ट टर्म को हमें सेकेंड टर्म से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो वी विल राइट इट लाइक दिस, x मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x स्क्वायर, and then x multiplied by negative 3 is going to be minus 3x. So right now we are just done with first term. अब हमें second term का भी multiplication करना है. तो 7 into x, 7x, both are positive, so इसलिए हम positive 7x लिखेंगे. Now 7 into negative 3, so 7 3s are 21, but plus minus minus, so हम minus 21 लिखेंगे. And this is still not done, because we can clearly see there are two like terms, minus 3x and 7x. So first we'll write x square as it is, minus 3x plus 7x plus 4x, because plus minus minus, so we are subtracting, but 7x का sign बड़ा है, so we will write positive 4x and minus 21. That's the answer. Let's check question number 10. Y plus 3, y plus 5. So again, first term with first term, so y into y, y square. First term with second term, y into 5, 5y. Second term with first term, so 3y. And second term with second term, so ये हो जाएगा 5 3s are 15. Now again, y square हम as it is लिख देंगे. There are two like terms, 5y and 3y, both are positive, so 5 plus 3, 8y, and 15 again as it is. So that's the answer, y square plus 8y plus 15. Let's move on to question number 11. Y minus 2, y minus 7. So y multiply, w minus 2, w minus 7. So w into w, w square, w into minus 7, minus 7w, minus 2 into w, minus 2w, minus 2 into minus 7, minus minus plus, so plus 14. So w square as it is, minus w minus 2, minus minus plus, so both will be added, so we'll write 9w, but both are negative and minus का sign बड़ा है, so minus 9w plus 14 is the answer. Question number 12. X minus 10, x plus 3. So x multiplied by x, first term with first term से multiply करेंगे पहले. So x square, x into positive 3, so positive 3x, minus 10 into x, so minus 10x, and second term with second term, so minus 10 into 3, minus 30. Now first term will be written as it is, x square, क्योंकि कोई दूसरा term नहीं है with power x square, so we'll write x square as it is. 3x and 3x minus 10x. So 3x minus 10x will be minus 7x, because positive, negative, negative. So we are going to subtract. But minus number का sign बड़ा है. Minus 10 is greater than 3 and 10 is negative. So we'll write minus 7x minus 30, and that's the answer. I'll highlight all the answers. So if you are solving it by yourself, you can again come back and check your answers. Now we'll do some more complex problems based on double brackets. So let's move on. Question number 13. X minus 2, x minus 7 the whole square. So now x minus 7 the whole square can be expanded using two different approach. X minus 7 को हम लिख सकते हैं x minus 7 multiplied by x minus 7, and then we can apply the same approach. X multiplied by x, first term with first term, x square, x multiplied by minus 7, so minus 7x, second term with first term, so minus 7 into x, minus 7x, and second term with second term, so minus minus plus, and 7 7s are 49. So this can be written as x square minus 14x plus 49. I hope this was easy to understand. The other approach is with identity. So I'm going to explain question number 16 with identity so that you can learn both the approach. For now, let's move on to question number 14. 2y plus 1, y plus 3. So first term को हम first term से multiply कर देंगे. 2y multiplied by y is 2y square because y raised to 1, y raised to 1 will be added. Powers will be added. So y raised to 2 and 2 ones are 2 only, plus 2y into 3. So 2 3s are 6 with a y, plus second term with first term. So y into 1 will be y only, plus 1 into 3, 3. So we can write it as 2y square. 6y plus y will become 7y plus 3, and that's the answer. Let's try question number 15 now. It says expand 4x plus 1, 3x minus 2. So same approach, 4x into 3x. So 4 into 3, 12. X multiplied by x हो जाएगा x square. 4x into minus 2, so minus 8x because 4 2 is 8, but negative sign because plus minus minus. Now second term with first term, so 1 into 3x हो जाएगा 3x, and 1 into negative 2, negative 2. So first term we'll write as it is, 12x square, 12x square minus 8x plus 3x हो जाएगा minus 5x and minus 2. That's the answer. Question number 16. Now question number 16 we are going to do with identity. Question number 16 and question number 13 are very similar. This can be solved using identity. Which identities? हमारे पास दो identities हैं, a plus b the whole square जिसका expansion होता है a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b the whole square which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if you have already solved question number 13, 14 and 15, you can try again question number 13 with identity. This is first identity, let's say this is second identity. You can use second identity to expand x minus 7 the whole square and check whether you are getting the same answer or not. For this question, we are going to use the first identity because we have 2x plus 5 the whole square. So हम use करेंगे a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we'll see what answer we'll get. So first we have to understand the first term 2x is our a and the second term 5 is our b. So it says a square, so 2x whole square plus 2a is 2x multiplied by b 5 plus b square, that is 5 square. Now 2x the whole square will be, now किसी भी ब्रैकेट के ऊपर अगर कोई पावर है जैसे 2x होल रेस टू 2, सो पावर विल गो टू बोथ द एलिमेंट्स नंबर एंड वेरिएबल. सो ये हो जाएगा 2 रेस टू 2 4, x रेस टू 2 x square plus now 2 into 2x into 5. So let's multiply all the numbers first. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20, and variable only x, plus 5 square, that is 25, and this is our answer. I'll give you one question to try. You can try this question and write your answer in the comment section. So expand 4x minus 2 the whole square. Now you can use this identity and expand this question and write your answer in the comment section, and let's see who gets the correct answer. Let's check. We have two more questions. Question number 17 and 18. So these are more complex questions, but the approach remains the same. With the same approach, we have to solve both the questions. So let's check. Again, first term with the first term. So x square into x is going to be x cube. फिर first term with second term. So x square into 3 will become 3x square. Now second term with first term. So x into x हो जाएगा x square, and second term with second term. So ये हो जाएगा 3x. Now we'll expand it. We'll keep the like terms together and we'll add them. So first term is x cube plus 3x square plus x square हो जाएगा 4x square 4x square plus 3x, and this is the answer. Now we'll solve the last question, question number 18. It looks complex, but it's not difficult because we have to apply the same approach. So question number 18, there are two parts, 4x square plus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 1 minus 3x multiplied by x square minus 6. So पहले हम फर्स्ट पार्ट सॉल्व कर लेंगे, माइनस हम सेकेंड पार्ट सॉल्व कर लेंगे, एंड देन अगर कोई लाइक टर्म है और अगर हमें उसे ऐड करना है या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है हम वो भी कर देंगे, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी विल सिंप्लीफाई आवर एक्सप्रेशन एंड दैट विल बी द फाइनल आंसर. सो फर्स्ट एक्सपैंड दिस, 4x square multiplied by 2x. So 4 into 2, 8, x square into x, x cube. Now 4x square with multiplied with 1, so 4x square, same. 5 into 2x, so 5 into 2, 10 with x, and 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Minus, now we'll multiply this, so 3x into x square, so 3x cube. Now minus 3x multiplied by minus 6, so minus plus, 6 3s are 18 with x. Now अब हम चेक करेंगे कि क्या कोई लाइक टर्म है जिसे हम ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. So start with x cube, highest degree x cube, and here 8x cube and minus 3x cube. So 8x cube minus 3x cube हो जाएगा 5x cube. And now we are done with x cube. Let's check square, 4x square. So हमें देखना है कि पूरे एक्सप्रेशन में कोई ऐसा टर्म है जिसका पावर x का 2 है, स्क्वायर है. So 4x square, so there is no other term. So ये हम लिख देंगे as it is 4x square. Now 10x, so x to the power 1. So अब हमें देखना है कोई ऐसा टर्म जिसका x का पावर 1 है. So we have 18x. So 10x plus 18x, ये हो जाएगा 28x. And lastly, constant term 5. And there's only one term, so plus 5. So we have 5x cube plus 4x square plus 28x plus 5. And this is our final answer. With this, we have covered most of the questions from single bracket and double brackets. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I'll surely clear it in the comment section. I hope this was helpful to everyone. If you feel this was helpful, do consider it sharing with your friends, and do subscribe my channel, like the video. That's all for today's session. And in the next session, we are going to learn expanding triple brackets. So, bye everyone.